Hey guys, welcome to the Hangout with Donna Gets Crafty. Let's go make something. Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be making a little jewelry tray to keep on my dresser, and I found this cute little tray for 69 cents at the local thrift store by my house. I gave it a once over spray using the Rust-Oleum 2X white matte spray. Then I took the tray and I put it onto my copy machine, and that gave me a really nice picture of the outline of the bottom of the tray, because you can see that there are some curlicues and rounded corners. I just wanted to make sure that the paper that I want to place in the center of that is going to fit in there nice and snug. So I cut it out, and then there was just a little bit of the corner that wasn't exactly even, so I folded it in half in order to make that to be even on both sides. I took a piece of cardstock that I have from my scrapbooking paper, and you'll see on the other side it's got this really cute geometric shapes. Now this was inspired by a craft done by Crafting with Cass, and I'll give her link below. She created hers using high-end emblems and logos like from Coco Chanel, and so I thought this would be a really cute project to do. Let's see, I'm cutting out the shape in order for it to fit, and it fits nice and snug in the bottom of my tray. I was very happy. I took some Mod Podge and started to spread it down on the bottom of the tray, and at first I was really careful because I didn't want it to get all up on the sides of the tray. I wanted just the center to stay in that gloss that came with the from using this higher gloss Mod Podge. But as I went along, I realized that it really looked nice on the metal. I don't know if it was the matte spray that just made it look so nice like that, so that's why I decided to spray the entire tray, and I was really liking the way this came out. If you are stopping by here for the first time, welcome. I am a very new little channel, and I would love to have you subscribe and join in the fun of the crafts that I make. I do all kinds of DIY, farmhouse, rustic, country. I am redoing our home as we are now in an empty nest, so I get to have all kinds of fun with my craft room that my husband has given me, a whole entire room to craft. So look, I just love the way this came out. It looks so nice sitting on the dark blue top of my dresser, and I just love it. I am the kind of person that often just will drop my necklace or earrings on the dresser saying I'm gonna put them in the jewelry box later, and then I don't get to it. So now look, I have such a nice little tray that I can keep my jewelry in, and then when it gets too full, I guess I can put them actually away. So I am so glad you're here. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up and join me by subscribing. Click the bell and you'll get notified every time I put up a new video. So thanks so much and have a great day.